If you're tired of endless product research, then handpicked expert selections will change the game for you. The products available here are chosen by our team of e-commerce experts and go through a 9-point vetting system before they make the cut. So, each product is tested for sales potential, profitability, and market demand, giving you a curated list of items that are ready to sell. Let's walk through how it works and why you need it in your dropshipping toolkit. First, let's start with the cost breakdown. This is where you see the product's cost, selling price, and most importantly, your profit margin. You even have a handy estimated monthly revenue calculation that takes into account marketing costs. Everything you need to know to figure out if a product is going to put money in your pocket is right here. No more mental math required. Next up is the Create Video feature. Because yes, video content is king, and now you can create product videos with just a few clicks. It's fast and it's effective, perfect for grabbing attention in a crowded social feed. Moving on to ready-made content. This part is a lifesaver. Pre-written product descriptions and ad copy are ready to go, so all you have to do is copy, paste, and post. No need to stress over writing or tweaking your captions. It's done for you. And if you're not sure how to structure your ads, Social Ads Examples has you covered. These examples are already getting engagement, so you don't have to second guess your strategy. Now, let's talk winning product data. The Product Insight section gives you the inside scoop on why a product is hot or not. You'll see all the positives, plus any potential challenges before you commit to adding it to your store. Want to know who's already selling it? Check out the competitors and supplier section. You can see which stores are selling this product and can even see their revenue. Plus, you get a list of suppliers to source this product from. And if you need more options, just hit Find More Suppliers to get additional choices. Now, the saturation meter is a really handy tool that shows you how crowded the market is for any given product. And here's the best part. Since Sell the Trend team is only focusing on finding unsaturated products, this meter is almost always going to stay in the green. Pretty cool, right? If Facebook ads are part of your strategy, you'll love Facebook targeting. It uncovers hidden interests for targeting that Facebook doesn't hand over on a silver platter. More precise targeting means better ad performance. And last but not least, the audience details. This is your go-to for understanding who's most likely to buy your product. You get a complete breakdown of demographics, and this data is perfect for setting up laser-targeted ad campaigns. So there you have it, the handpicked expert selections feature from Sell the Trend. Get new products added to your account daily. Jump in and start using it today.